I chose this resource because it will help me teach my lesson on animals and their habitats. This game is interactive, so it lets kids go on the computer and do it themselves. Um, I would do this lesson after probably reading a book on habitats and giving them some background. So you just scroll down here and hit Start Quiz. And the first question is, which animal lives in a river? And the instruction is, can you match the habitat? So I would look at the options, click on the picture you think is right, and then click check at the bottom of the page. In a river, so it would not be a house cat. It would be fish. It would definitely not be a deer. And then I would hit check to check my answers. So if kids don't really have an understanding of habitats, they can check their answers and try again. So then it will tell you if you were correct or incorrect. And if you scroll down, you will see that you're right, why you're right, a little background on why do they live in rivers. So that'll reinforce, even if they just guess the answer, it will explain. So they will get that understanding regardless. So then you would hit next to go on to the next question. Which animal lives in a deep, dark cave? Which I would pick the mountain lion. Check my answer, see that I'm right, see why I'm right. Nectar from flowers would be a bee. And this online quiz connects to my lesson because at the end of my lesson, kids will be matching animals to their habitats, which is exactly what they're doing in this game. And then they will be drawing the habitats. So this game is helpful because it not only reinforces that knowledge of where animals would live, but then once they get the answers right, they can see, like, for example, why do bears live in forests? They can find all the food they need in the forest. Bears eat berries, nuts, plants, insects, and sometimes fish. So this would help them with their posters because I do ask them to include anything they think that their animal would need in this habitat that they've matched it to. So the students would know to include maybe berries, nuts, plants, insects, fish, maybe some water. So this will definitely reinforce that knowledge, and I think it's the perfect interactive source for my lesson.